Either if you want to enable dark mode on Busha, then this video is for you. First, open the application. Now from here, you just need to tap on the profile avatar at the top left corner. Here you will find preferences. Tap on it, and in this section you will find theme option, and this will allow you to turn on the dark mode, but the system is that it will match your phone's appearance. Like if your phone is on the dark mode, then it will appear as the dark mode, or if you are on light mode, then it will also appear at light mode. So you can specifically set this at the dark mode by tap on this dark button. Now you can see it has just turned into dark mode. I just enabled the dark mode on Busha application. So that's how you can simply turn on dark mode on your Busha application. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.